Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Biofuels are being hailed as a potential game changer for the aviation industry, providing an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Through this video we will explore how biofuel use could reduce the carbon footprint of air travel and provide sustainable solutions that help break our dependence on non-renewable resources. We'll also look at case studies featuring successful implementation by airlines around the globe along with any challenges they have faced in their shift towards renewable energy sources like biofuels. The current state of the aviation industry. From air travel to airplane manufacturing, the aviation industry is an ever-evolving global powerhouse. Despite its many successes and contributions to society, this sector remains largely dependent on jet fuel, a source of energy that not only drives up costs but can be damaging for our environment. The aviation industry is a major contributor to climate change, air pollution, and environmental degradation. Burning fossil fuels in the sector leads to greenhouse gas emissions like CO2, NOx and particulate matter, all of which have serious implications for our planet's health. Unfortunately, these impacts are only expected to worsen with continued growth. As it stands today, the aviation industry accounts for 2 to 3% of global carbon dioxide emissions. Advantages of biofuels for aviation. Environmental benefits. Aviation is taking off on a more environmentally friendly journey with the potential of biofuels to drastically reduce its carbon footprint. Rather than relying solely on fossil fuels, sustainable production of these alternative energy sources from waste products and algae have the capacity to result in net negative emissions. Reduced dependence on fossil fuels. With fossil fuels becoming increasingly rare and expensive, aviation has the opportunity to reduce its dependence on non-renewable resources by investing in biofuels. This strategic move can help ensure a more sustainable future for air travel while providing passengers with peace of mind. Cost savings. With the steady climb of fossil fuel prices, it's no wonder why biofuel is gaining traction in aviation. Not only does this alternative offer cost savings for airlines, its inherent stability also provides protection from unpredictable oil price spikes. Increased energy security. The aviation sector can strengthen its energy resilience by diversifying the sources powering it. Biofuels produced within countries reduces reliance on imports, minimizing potential supply chain interruptions and providing a safeguard for flight operations. Biofuel technologies for aviation. The aviation industry is actively searching for ways to reduce its environmental impact. One potential solution lies in the exploration of biofuel technologies, enabling aircrafts to fly with less reliance on fossil fuels and a reduced carbon footprint. It's an exciting opportunity that could revolutionize how we travel by air. Biojet fuel. Alternative fuel sources are on the rise, making it possible to travel thousands of miles while remaining both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Biojet fuel is at the forefront of this new wave, harnessing power from renewable resources such as soybeans, jatropha, and camelina to provide a drop-in replacement for traditional jet fuels that has already seen real success in commercial flights. Algal biofuel. Harnessing the power of algae, biofuels are produced by turning non-potable water sources like wastewater into a renewable source of energy. Remarkably, these underwater plants have an extremely high oil content, perfect for creating sustainable fuel and helping to reduce our dependence on finite fossil fuels. Synthetic biofuels. Biofuels are the sustainable alternative to traditional jet fuel, created by transforming everyday substances like wood and agricultural waste into a clean burning energy source. Algae is even being used as an innovative new feedstock in this revolutionary process. Hydrogen fuel cells. The aviation industry is looking to hydrogen fuel cells as an innovative and sustainable source of energy. Though the technology comes with great promise for a more environmentally friendly future, cost-prohibitive prices and lack of access remain formidable obstacles in widespread adoption. Examples of biofuel use in aviation. Several major airlines have boldly embraced an eco-friendly future and commenced operations using a combination of biofuels and conventional jet fuel. KLM, Lufthansa, United Airlines are all now flying with more sustainable fuels, pioneering the way for greener skies. Airports promoting the use of biofuels. San Francisco International Airport is leading the way in sustainability, demonstrating a commitment to using biofuels for its ground support equipment and vehicles. This progressive decision helps push forward innovation within the aviation industry as more airports join forces with green initiatives. government initiatives to support biofuel use in aviation. Progress is being made worldwide to reduce aviation's environmental impact. The European Union seeks an ambitious 60% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, and the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration has taken various steps to develop sustainable biofuels as a viable alternative energy source for aircrafts. If successful, these initiatives could help make air travel greener than ever before. ASU study shows full decarbonization of U.S. aviation sector within grasp. A team of Arizona State University, ASU, researchers recently made a groundbreaking discovery. With just 23.2 million hectares of marginal agricultural land, the U.S. could produce enough biomass feedstock to meet its aviation sector's liquid fuel demands until 2040. This means that by utilizing existing fallow or low-quality soils, we can supply 30 billion gallons per year and power our fleet through renewable biofuels. Challenges to the adoption of biofuels in aviation. Scalability of biofuel production. Despite their environmental benefits, the aviation industry has seen slow adoption of biofuels due to limited production capabilities. This requires major investment in order for mass-scale manufacturing of these alternative fuels to become a reality. High production costs. While the production of biofuels may have a lower environmental impact than traditional fossil fuels, their currently high cost has proven to be an obstacle in replacing petroleum-based fuel sources within the aviation industry. Technical challenges in using biofuels in aviation. Despite the potential benefits of using biofuels in aviation, there are numerous technical obstacles to overcome. From aircraft compatibility issues to performance and safety regulations that must be met, a lot needs to happen before this renewable energy source can replace conventional fuels entirely. Lack of infrastructure for biofuels. With the ever-growing need for sustainable solutions in the aviation industry, biofuels present an enticing alternative. However, current inadequacies in infrastructure and investment remain a major hindrance to their full integration within our airports. Without these crucial pieces of technology, from refueling facilities to distribution networks, we will find it difficult to unlock the potential of this renewable fuel source. Conclusion. Biofuels may be the way of the future for aviation, offering an array of advantages such as lower reliance on finite resources, smaller environmental impact and cost efficiency, all leading to greater energy autonomy. The future of aviation is looking green, with promising progress made in the adoption of biofuels. Already major airlines and airports have embraced sustainable alternatives to conventional fuels, while governments around the world are lending their support and investing resources into making them more feasible going forward. Despite these successes, there remains a long road ahead. Producing enough biofuel on an industrial scale to meet increasing demand presents itself as a daunting task, not least because of its higher production costs compared to traditional fuel sources, along with limited storage capacity at many refueling hubs across the globe. Governments and the aviation industry have a major opportunity to join forces in investing for renewable energy. Through collaborative efforts, they could create an atmosphere of investment that leads to production centers capable of churning out biofuels along with infrastructure needed for distribution and storage. By facilitating this crucial transition towards sustainability, these partners hold the potential answer to preserving our planet's future prosperity through eco-friendly sustainable development in flight travel. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.